Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the low beam headlight bulbs in a 2015 Toyota Camry LE. Procedures will be similar for most Camry models from 2012 to 2017, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Pop the hood and locate the first bulb you want to change. The low beam bulbs on each side should be toward the outside of the engine compartment. Press the tab on the wiring harness to disconnect it from the bulb. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to slip the bulb's tabs out of the assembly and remove the bulb. When you install the new bulb, be sure not to touch the glass of the bulb with your bare fingers. Finger oils or grease can create hot spots on the bulb that can cause it to burn out prematurely. The new bulb will have tabs that slip into the assembly. Then turn it clockwise to secure it. Click the wiring harness back into place once the bulb is secure in the assembly. It's always recommended you change the headlight bulbs in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. Turn on the headlights to make sure your new bulbs are working properly. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. We'll see you again soon.